Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Now you can add a shape to your document to make it more appealing or to deliver a certain message. And to insert a shape in a document, you go to Insert tab, click on the Shapes command, then from here choose whichever shape you want to use. So I'll choose this banner, then drag it out on your document, and there it is. Then you can also resize the shape. If you want it to be a bit smaller, you can shrink it down, you can enlarge it. You can resize it using these sizing handles at the corners, at the edges, just like that. And you can also add more than one shape. So I'll add another shape and Insert tab, Shapes, then I'll choose Heart, then drag it out on your document, just like that. Then you can resize it again if you want to be smaller, larger, whichever way you want it to be. You can resize it using these sizing handles, just like that. Now let's look at how to change the order of shapes. Now you notice the heart comes before the banner, but I want this heart to go behind the banner. So just select the heart, the shape that you want, then right click on it. We have two options. You have bring to front, that is if you want to bring an image or that shape, a shape to the front, and if you want to send it to back, there's the send to back command. So click on send to back, and then the heart shape will go behind the banner, as you can see. Now if you want to do that again, just right click on it, then choose the send to back, and that shape will go to the back of the other image, or the other shape, that is. So I want to bring it to the front, so that's what I'll do, and that's how you change the ordering of an image. Now you can also change the shape style. So if you select on the shape, I've selected the banner, then under Format tab we have the shape styles over here. Click the More command, then we have different shape styles to choose from here. I click on that one, that's the one we originally had. I have this one, there are many, there's this one. You can do whatever you want with those shapes. And also you can change the shape fill color. Again, select the shape that you want to change fill color. I'll select the heart. Then under the shape fill command, click on the drop down arrow, then choose the color that you want. And if the colors that you want are not here, you can click on more fill colors, then come here and choose whichever color you want. I want something like a light pink. Click on that, and that's how you change the shape fill color. Now you can also change the shape outline. So I'll click on the banner, then the shapes outline command, click on the drop down arrow, then change the color of the shape outline. You can change the weight of the shape outline from here. So this is the one I want to work with, then weight. You can choose whichever one you want. Then work with that. Now you can see we've just increased the weight of the outline in our heart image, in our heart shape. You can choose whether you want it to be in dashes, that. You can actually do whatever you want, change the color. You can actually choose to work without an outline. And then there we have it. That's how you change the shape outline. And now you can also add shape effects. So if I choose the banner, then go to the shape effects command, click on the drop down arrow. Then we have presets over here. You can hover on each one of them, and then you'll see the preview, the changes. Like you can see what that has done to this. There are more. You can add shadow, inner shadow, and outer shadow. You can add a glow, just like that. Now that's how you change shape effects. And now you can change one shape to a different shape. So select the shape that you want to change. I'll select the heart. Then under the Format tab, there is Edit Shape command. Click on the drop down arrow, then hover over the change shape command, then choose whichever shape you want to change to. So let me change it to this one. And as you can see, my heart shape has changed to this star shape, sun leg shape. And that's how you change the shape, you convert one shape to a different shape. So just select the shape that you want to change, go to edit shape command, click the drop down arrow, hover over the change shape command, then choose whichever shape you want to change it into. So I can choose this little cloud, then that's how you change the shape.